Don't worry.
He's going to first be there
for about 10 minutes. He's going to sleep a little bit. At most 10 or 5 minutes. So don't worry. He's going to be healed. Let him first lie down. I command the ring to turn him sleepy. So he does not move. So
in the name of Jesus.
Comes down in the name of Jesus. Let him turn sleepy. He's going to sleep, don't worry. He's coming down. His skin is beginning to change. His skin is beginning to change. He had a skin, but as he's going through treatment, the eyes have even changed. You see, as if they had something. There's a snake that was in the eyes. The snake was in those eyes. And it was very tough. Once it comes in the night, you can hardly survive. You can hardly survive. Look at the eyes. The ring is not capturing each and everything that is in her life. It's pulling out even the tears and the sweat out of his body. It's pulling out whatever liquid in form of treatment. It's now settling him. Because it was presented to the eyes of the Lord to change you that had been suffering, and then it joins you to the people that are doing well indeed. He's going through healing as I speak. He's going through healing as I speak. Let us be quiet. There is something still on his eyes, and I want it to come out. It goes back to wherever it came from. He does not win. But that's that evil spirit that we are fighting. We fight terrible things, terrible spirits. You see something. You see that something that was on him or in him, the ring, is now sucking out the liquid out of his body. Because it was not his own set, but it was produced by that snake that was in him. But it kept on spitting into his brain. And then his brain would be stirred up and he would start saying things, this and that. Just as it is on this man, whatever has been in your life, even you that's watching us on TV, that something is getting out now. You guys on YouTube, there's something get out of you. There is something get out of you. Something is getting out of you. It's being captured as we speak.
Sindika.
Bigenda. They're going.
Sindika.
Omusajja.
Gentlemen, stand up. Stand up. The Lord has set you free. Hallelujah. How are you? He's fine. Stand up. Stand up. The Lord has set you free. Awuliya talina. Bwe biba bikuvaako weno yenjebuka.
When they're leaving you, you become kind of weak.
Jangu sister.
You come.
Awuze n'okuwunga. Ono mmanyi?
Do you know this one?
Sister.
She's my sister, I know her.
Kolera Yesu